What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off quiet mode on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your Instagram. After going to Instagram, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile icon here, just like this. After going to profile, what you need to do, you have to click on the three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can turn off your quiet mode on your Instagram. So after going to settings, what you need to do, you have to click on this time spent option, just like this. After clicking on time spent, you can see here is the option called quiet mode. You have to click on this option just like here. Okay, after clicking on this option, what you need to do, you have to turn this option on just like this. Then here is a pop-up, you have to click on the last option, second option, turn off quiet mode, just like this. Then you are ready to go. This is how you can turn off your quiet mode on your Instagram. So I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.